Hello, everybody. I hope you are having a good day so far and you are making good choices and being good for the sub. I'm going to go through the instructions for today and talk about the bell work. And then you will have the rest of the time today to work on the things that are on your instructions. So the first thing is you're watching this video, of course. So you've done number 1. Congratulations. The second thing you're going to need to do is complete the bell work and make sure you turn that into the substitute when you're done. Okay, so that's the list, all the ones that you've done this week. Make sure you turn that in and make sure your name's on it so I know who it belongs to. You can get that in the grade book. After that, you're going to watch a video about body paragraphs and conclusions. I just want to go back over the information about body paragraphs, make sure we totally understand what we're supposed to be doing on that. And then how to write a conclusion. It shouldn't be a very long video, but it'll be enough information to make sure that you know how to write all those parts of your essay. And once you do that, you'll have the rest of the hour to start working on that. My goal is that you should have a complete essay by the end of Monday. And that's going to allow us time to edit and make corrections and fix things before we turn it in at the end of next week to be graded. Okay, so make sure you are watching the video, you're writing, you're working. If you have not finished any of the steps prior to writing your body paragraphs and your conclusion, you need to make sure that you are completing those first. Okay, you want to make sure you do that in that specific order because you can't write a research paper without having your research done. You can't write your essay until you have your plan complete because you do have to follow that writing process. That is something I have to grade you on. Okay, so make sure you get those things complete and then you'll be able to work on the things that I'm talking about in that video. I did make that video separate so that way you can go back and watch it later if you're not quite to that step yet. All right, so for your bell work, you are going to correct the sentences that I have put on here for you. You want them to show academic language. So right now they are very informal. And you want to make sure that you are turning those into formal academic language. Also, make sure you correct any spelling or grammar errors, okay, that you see to make these more professional, right? Spelling and grammar errors are a big indicator that you are dealing with someone who does not know what they're doing, right? So the first one says, I think we should not go to school on Fridays. Number 2, it is crazy difficult to understand any of this stuff. Number 3, so you should believe what I say because I don't lie when I say Colorado has an active volcano. And number 4, did you know some people can't tell the Titanic is real? All right, so do that on a piece of paper. You'll just write out the correct sentence, or you can write out the incorrect sentence and then fix it. It's up to you. And make sure that you turn that in to the substitute, okay, before the end of class. Have a wonderful day. Make sure you're making good choices. I'll see you all on Monday.